Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add fields in a record type in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to setup page and click on setup. And after that, we need just to go and search for object manager. And basically here you will need just to go to the object that you want to add fields for. So basically, I'm just going to select account for example. And after that, we will need just to go and click on fields and relationships. So we will need just to search for it, and basically we will find it here and click on fields and relationships. And from here you can start creating a field for your objects. So I'm just going to click on new, and now we can create a new one. And then we will need just to select a data type from here. So choose any data type that you would like. Should it be a formula or any data type? Then you will need just to click on next, and let's, for example, auto number. And after that, you will define the properties for this data type. And here you give it a label, a display format, and after that, a starting number, because this is an auto number. And we can choose, for example, from formula, or it can be a date time, for example. And we click on next, and as you can see, we can have another UI. And after that, you will need just to click on save. And after that, you will need just to go and uh, you will need just to go to the page layout, and then in the page layout you will need just to add your type that you have added. So basically it will be here in the fields, and you will find your new type, and then you can edit the page layout so you can show this type or this new field in your layout. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.